Hello, my name is John Alexander from Fitness Together in Westboro. Right now I'm about to demonstrate how to roll out your quadriceps. So we have two rollers right here. A little bit thicker, stronger one, a little bit more dense, and a softer one. Okay? So these are very important, the intensity that you choose, because this can be a painful exercise if you haven't rolled or massaged your quadriceps in a long time. This is basically a deep tissue massage for the quadricep muscles. It helps decoagulate the muscle fiber and increase circulation. Great to do before, after stretching, or before and after a workout. I'm going to start with the black one because I'm used to this one. Okay, what I'm going to do is pick one quadricep first. Alright, if this is your first time doing it, I would suggest getting a softer roller. Alright, what I'm going to do, elbow is right on the mat, almost into a plank position. I'm going to make sure this roller is perpendicular to my leg. I'm going to start right at the bottom here, and we're going to start with small movements. You don't have to do the whole muscle. And we're just going to nice and easy, while I'm breathing and relaxing into it, roll this back and forth. As you can tell, I'm starting at the base of the muscle. Okay? After I roll that for maybe 30, 45 seconds, then I'll move it up to the top and roll the whole thing up to the hip. Now, to intensify this, if it doesn't feel like it's really working you too much or digging into the muscles, boom, cross. I add weight to it now, and that definitely intensifies that rolling sensation there. And that's about it. 30 to 45 seconds, 3 sets, then switch to the other side after you're done.